Hello everyone, great to have your company. The sunny Sydney day on Kalkine TV, Sage here. You're watching the Buzzing Trends show. And firstly, let's take a glance over the ASX. The S&P ASX 200 was up this morning, gaining 56 points or 0.84% and crossing above its 20-day moving average. 8 of 11 sectors were higher, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Energy was the best performing sector, gaining 2.82%. The S&P ASX 300 Metals and Mining Index also traded in the green territory and was 0.87% in the morning, with commodity space in the positive side. Copper was trading at US $3.58 per pound mass on July the 8th. And Australia owns around 13% of copper resources, while Chile has about 25% of the world's copper reserves. On that note, let's take a look at 3 ASX-listed copper stocks and their year-to-date performance. First on the list, Rio Tinto. This is a mining and metals company which operates through 4 segments, including iron ore, aluminium, copper and minerals. Rio announced on the 15th of June 2022 that it delivered the first ore from the Gudai-Darri iron ore mine. This will help future production of Rio's flagship product, Pilbara Blend. Its shares traded at $99.07, being up by 1.94% this morning. The current market capitalisation of Rio Tinto is currently 36.07 billion Australian dollars. The company has recorded negative growth of around 0.62% on a year-to-date basis as of July the 8th. Next on the list, Sandfire Resources. This Australia-based Sandfire Resources company is a mining and exploration firm. De Grassa Operations, Dulgana Exploration, Australia Regional Exploration, Motheo Copper Mine, Kalahari Copper Belt Exploration and the Black Butte Copper Project are the main business endeavours of the company. Sandfire Resources shares were spotted trading at $4.36 apiece, an increase of 4.06% from its previous closing price on July 8th. The company stands with a market capitalisation of $1.71 billion. Its shares have recorded negative growth of around 35% on a year-to-date basis. Now, last on the list is Osmonerals, and this is a Australia-based company as well, involved in mining and processing ore that contains copper, gold and silver, and engages in exploration and project developments too. Osmonerals shares traded at $17.93, being up 3.34% per share on the ASX today. And the company has a market capitalisation of $5.80 billion. Osmonerals shares have fallen more than 37% on a year-to-date basis as of July the 8th. The world's largest copper producer, Chile, reported a fall in its production in April. State-owned miner Codelco registered a 6.1% decline in copper production in April, while Glencore's joint venture Collahuasi posted a decline of 26.5% in its April production. The figures are on a year-over-year basis, and Chile's production may fall further in the coming months as the government has initiated a sanction process against Antofagasta Minerals Los Pelambres copper mine for violating environmental regulations. The sanctions could lead to a loss of the permit closure or hefty fines on the company. Another factor impacting copper production is the ongoing violent protests against mining companies in the world's number 2 producer, Peru. The supply side seems to lag behind the demand in coming days. And this demand and supply dynamics could see the price of copper surging in the near term. In view of these global developments, we will keep a track of Australian copper players though. And with that, we've reached the end of the Buzzing Trends show. We'll be back again tomorrow with the show. Until then, stay tuned to Kalkine TV for the latest insights, trending news and expert talks. Sage here signing off.